guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Rachel and I make all kinds of content about productivity, lifestyle, cleaning, behind the scenes of both of my businesses, all of that sort of stuff. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click subscribe and stick around for a while. But today's video is going to be how I organize my two businesses plus my YouTube channel and how I schedule everything out and make sure that I'm able to get everything accomplished throughout the week. So if you're interested in that, let's just get right to it. Okay guys, so I like to use Google Calendar and Notion. And this is just a more recent sort of thing for me to do more digital planning or, online planning. I normally would never do this, but I found that this really helps me because I can see everything like it is on the screen right now. Actually, let me make this bigger for you. So I can see everything all mapped out right here, and I can look at it from a month view, and just there's all different things that you can do with this. And I find that this really helps me right now, especially with starting my second business. It's kind of helping me gather all my thoughts and put everything into place. So let me just kind of walk you through my Google Calendar, and then from there I'll take you over to my Notion and show you guys that. So this is my Google Calendar. This is the Google Calendar for the week. And as you can see, I've blocked off different times. So I have my morning routine. I like to give myself time to do a morning tidy, to get ready for the day, to read my Bible, to do all the things that are really important to me first thing in the morning, and then I start working. So this week I decided I was going to start working at 8:30 and work from 8:30 to 5 and have more of a traditional schedule, because I just find that works best for me. I know a lot of people do a lot of different things, but this is just what I have found that works best for me is when my days are more structured like this. I'm much more productive, and it just helps me to stay disciplined, to keep that motivation going. So this has just been working for me. So I block off my day and I say work day. And on top of that, I will put whatever I'm doing for the day. So on this day, I theme out my days. So as you can see, on Monday, it was Sticky Situations Co., which is the name of my sticker shop. I will have links to all of my shops below if you want to check them out. But this is my sticker shop. I make planner stickers. And this was the day that I wanted to get everything done for that business. Now, I know that may not be realistic depending on how busy your business is or how big it's grown. But for me, I was able to do everything I wanted to do in this day, with the exception of orders. As orders come in, I try to fill those orders. But this was just all the back end stuff that I needed to get done for the week. So I blocked out when I wanted to design new stuff. And then I give myself an hour for lunch, and I just kind of use that hour to kind of just chill and maybe watch YouTube videos or do something just for me. And then I decided I needed to print and cut the stickers, do the listing photos, the listings, and do all the social media and email stuff with that business. So I find that in doing this, I'm able to be consistent with putting new stuff up because I'm doing it all on Monday. I get everything done. If something doesn't get done, I actually push it over here to these catch-all days. And that's why I have two catch-all days. So if something doesn't get done, or maybe I need to spend more time on that particular business, I will put it over here in the catch-all day. So as you can see, I had all that scheduled. Then I definitely wanted to do a little house tidy. I just wanted to make sure everything was good to go. And I also had a video. I was a little bit behind on editing my videos, so I blocked off some time to edit my video. And so that was my Monday. Then on Tuesday, I was working on my second business that I just launched, and it is Rachel Denise Design. Right now I'm making mugs, but I am planning on expanding to t-shirts very, very soon. So I wanted to design some new mugs. So that's what I did in the very beginning. I'm finding that designing in the first thing in the morning is when I'm best at that. It's just better for me to design first thing in the morning and then to do everything in the afternoon. And then I needed to put all the designs on the mugs. I needed to do the photos, and then all the social media prep. So scheduling Instagram posts and scheduling reels and TikToks and all those things, which I've not been the best about. I struggle with social media a little bit and coming up with ideas. So I'm definitely going to have to put some of this on my catch-all day and do some of that on Thursday. But I do have it scheduled where I can just kind of spend an hour planning all that out and getting it all together, because that's going to help me be successful. So this is today. We are actually filming right now. my schedule got a little flipped this morning. There was a family emergency. Everything's fine, but because of that, I didn't get this done. So I actually want to move this down here, and I'm currently filming this right now. So here we are on Wednesday. Wednesday is my YouTube day. So I like to film videos or edit videos or just do any YouTube work that I need to get caught up with for the week. Now, normally I would have had YouTube be Monday, Sticky Situations Co. be Tuesday, and then Rachel Denise Design for Wednesday. But again, my week's a little jumbled, and this is the one thing I love about Google Calendar is I can just move stuff around when stuff comes up, and I love that about it. So anyway, like I said, I just moved these around, but right now we're filming, and then this afternoon I will edit this video along with another video, a vlog that I filmed yesterday, so I will make sure to get all that done. And then I also wanted to block out some time during my workday to actually clean the house because I have company coming over tonight, so I wanted to make sure the house was tidy. So moving on to Thursday and Friday, these are my catch-all days. I don't have anything up here on these days yet because I don't know what I'm moving there. So as you can see, like here, I moved finished listings from the day before because there were two that I needed to finish. So I did those this morning and I kind of just moved it over here. But the theme for the day was not my mug shop. I just had a couple things I needed to do with that. So once I finish today, I will look and see, okay, like what needs to be done? What did I not get accomplished throughout the week that needs to get done? And I will block off time in these 2 days. So this week, we're actually going out of town on Friday. So this whole thing, we can just basically delete these because I'm not going to be here. I'm not going to be doing that. But normally Thursday and Friday would be a catch-all day. So that's kind of what my week looks like. I don't really put anything for Saturday and Sunday. It's mainly just to focus on my businesses and my YouTube channel. So I'm not really putting personal stuff in here just because I don't really feel the need to. I will every now and then, but mainly I just focus on this for my business. So moving into my Notion, as you can see, I still think it's February. Apparently I need to update this, but I just have a couple things here. I've not really done a super deep dive into Notion. There's like so much you can do with it that it almost seems a little overwhelming. I definitely want to use it to the best of its ability or the best of my ability, but I haven't done a deep dive into it yet. But I do have this. This was a template that I got from somewhere. I don't remember, some other YouTuber. And I kind of tweaked it to make it my own. But I just have my weekly plans. And so I will put like Sticky Situations Co. next to Monday. So I'll know that's the theme for the day. And then I will write down all the tasks that I need to do within my work day. So again, this is more just me planning out my work stuff, not so much personal stuff. And then again, Tuesday we had all of this stuff. And then here we are on Wednesday. I can actually check this off because we are filming that right now. But these are all the other things that I need to do. Again, I put clean house on here because I just need to do a quick tidy. And then tomorrow I want to make sure that it's still tidy because we are going to go out of town on Friday. But I do have a couple things I need to do on Friday that I can do from the car. So that includes like posting the new releases, doing the emails, doing all the social media. Again, I don't have anything for Saturday and Sunday because this week I'm going to be out of town. If I am here and I'm home and there are tasks that I need to do, such as editing a video or doing something for my businesses, I will put them here. But this week it just so happens that I don't have anything to put there. So over here I have priorities, which I've not updated because I don't need to be working on my website right now because I launched that. But I have priorities. I have the YouTube videos that are going to go up this week. I like to just see them and see what we have going up. And then these are just kind of the things that I'm reading or trying to study, which again, I've not really updated in a while. So over here, I have my YouTube channel calendar. So I have stuff scheduled out here. So I kind of have an idea of like, okay, this is what I need to film. This is what I need to do to make sure that these videos go up on time. And it's just nice to kind of have a picture of what the month is going to look like in terms of videos. Then over here, I have a calendar for Sticky Situations Co. Obviously, I've not filled it out. But let's see. I did have where I had new releases. So actually I didn't have new releases last week. I'm having them this week. But again, it's just kind of nice to see like if I'm in a sale one week or if I have new releases coming up, or like if I ever were to do $2 Tuesday, I can mark that. Just kind of being able to see all the big events that are coming up in the month. I have not done one of these for my Rachel Denise design shop because I literally just opened it last week, but I do need to add one so that way I can also have a calendar for that, just to kind of see an overview. So here I have my new release schedule. Again, I need to update this. I've just not been good at keeping things updated. I probably won't really need this as much because when I'm designing kits, I'm checking all of these off on the same day. So I need to change this up a little bit. Then I have this, which is actually a template from somebody else, so these are not mine. But I thought they were interesting. I'll link the creator that I got these from because, if I could show you, because like she has it like so organized, and I really need to get on that and be more organized. So I do have this template, but I don't really use it. And then we have this one. It's just a weekly reset. Again, I got it from somebody and I have not really used it yet. So that's kind of my Notion in a nutshell. It's very, very plain and simple, but I just take all of that information and I put it over here in my Google Calendar. And that has really been working well for me. And theming out my days this way has really been helping me because I used to be very, I would have like a million different things for this day, but they'd be like, here's a YouTube task, here's this, here's that, and I felt like I was just constantly running, like a hamster running on a hamster wheel, but not really accomplishing much. And this way I can take the day to focus on one project or one part of my business. And so I know on Mondays, I'm only working on sticker stuff. I'm not looking at my mug shop. I'm not really looking at my YouTube stuff. The only exception to this is if I get an order, at the end of the day, I will try to process the orders, So, obviously if I had like a ton of sticker orders, I would fill in a block here to be like, okay, you have to do orders here. You know what I mean? And then whatever didn't get done here could just go to the catch all day. But that's kind of just how I'm organizing myself and prepping myself for having multiple businesses. I know that this will probably change and I'll have to tweak things, especially as my new business grows and I have to devote more time to certain tasks. I'm probably going to have to redo this, but for now, this has been the way that I've been planning for the past couple of weeks, and it's really been working well for me. So let me know in the comments below if you use either Google Calendar or Notion, or you just a paper planner. Let me know in the comments below. But that is the tour of my Google Calendar and my Notion. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I also want to note that I do have a paper planner. This is just more for me to like decorative plan. So I'll put everything in Notion and my Google Calendar, but then I'll put it in here for the week. And then I just kind of have this like on my desk, or if I need to take this with me somewhere, obviously Notion and my Google Calendar are on my phone, so they can go with me anywhere. But this is just kind of more of a fun decorative plan type of situation. Obviously I wanted to share that because I do have a sticker shop, so I didn't want it to look like I don't actually use my stickers. I do. This is not my main planner because sometimes weeks get busy and I just need to be able to do it all digitally, and then I will come back and back plan if I have to. I try to keep up with this every single week, but sometimes life gets crazy. So I did want to mention that I do have an Erin Condren planner as my like paper planner, but this is the planner. This is the first thing to go if my week gets busy. I will typically just do Google Calendar and Notion, and then, like I said, back plan later. But I did want to throw that out there. I do also have a paper planner. I'm still very much loving paper planners, but I found that digital planners or digital like planning has been a little bit better for me, just in terms of like I can move stuff around, I can delete stuff if that's not actually happening, whereas it's a little bit more difficult in paper planning. And I like my planner to look really pretty, so it bothers me when I have to like cancel something or move something. So that's why this is not my main planner anymore, though I still love paper planning. And I mean, I will also just write stuff down on to-do lists, but I like this new system because I feel like it's helping me block out my days a little bit better. So anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. I do still love paper planning and stickers, just have found a new system that's kind of helping me navigate running 2 businesses and a YouTube channel. All right, guys, so that is how I organize everything for my week. It has been working so well for me lately, and I feel like I've just been so productive and accomplished everything I needed to, and it's been really, really great. So those are the tools that I use. That's how I organize everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe it helps you kind of organize stuff if you are starting a new business or just trying to get your life in order. I feel like these tools are really, really great for that. And hopefully this really helps you figure out how to schedule everything and be the most productive that you can be. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to click subscribe and stick around for a while, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.